Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrency in the crypto market. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button now and complete my 2K subscriber. As you can see here, now let's see the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. Let's see the live price prediction. It's loading. As you can see here, the chart is in positive. You can see here the Vechain cryptocurrencies last previous 2 hour result is positive 0.38% change in equation cryptocurrencies. The high price of the Vechain cryptocurrencies in a previous 2 hour is $0.0914. As you can see here, the current price of the Vechain cryptocurrencies is $0.090363 is the now current price of Vechain in a crypto market. As you can see here, the chart of the Vechain cryptocurrencies in the previous 2 hours they start jumping upward, but now in the middle of the last 2 hours they falling down. As you can see here, falling down. So it's very bad news for all Vechain holders. Now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. What's going in the last 1 hour in the cryptocurrencies market of Vechain. As you can see here, in the last 1 hour they are also in a falls. As you can see here, they are falls, continuously falls. Vechain cryptocurrencies holders, please sell it and be safe from losses. You can see here that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour. The change is in negative 1.19% in only 1 hour. That's a very bad change in a Vechain cryptocurrency. So my suggestion is to sell it and be safe from losses. You can see here, and the high price in the last 1 hour is $0.09132 is the high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies in a previous 1 hour. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies market.